Shout out to Crypto. This is probably one of the best comments I've gotten in a while. He said, man, I really thought this was all bull until I joined your group. You're a boss. Listen, you guys, the group, thousands of sets of eyes working together to trade this market. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution, where I talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump into this video, I want to say thank you for hitting that like button. Take 2 seconds, hit that like button. Trying to get a like spike going. 1,000 likes a video, that's the goal. I bring these daily crypto updates to you every single day, and I'm happy to do so. Be sure and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Leave a comment. Let me know what number of like you are in the comment box below. Jumping right into the market today in crypto. Green Day. Man, it's awesome. Everybody's like, when is this going to stop? When is it? What's happening? What's happened, Chris? What's happening? Why is this happening? Listen, a lot of bullish signs overall for the entire cryptocurrency market. We got our teeth kicked in for an extended period of time in this market, and things have changed. We've got 18 months potentially bull run ready ahead of us. Why are all these altcoins pumping? What's happening? Notice Bitcoin market dominance is down to 62%. So as Bitcoin gives up market dominance, obviously the flip side is altcoin market dominance. Okay, so 38% of the market, of the overall cryptocurrency market cap is now made up by the altcoins. And a lot of times this happens quickly when your larger caps are moving. Bitcoin at 10,369. Overall market cap of cryptocurrency, $304 billion. Man, it's been amazing. Wearing me out. Hardly getting any sleep, and I'm loving every minute of it. This is the daily chart. So again, multi-month downtrend. If you were with us for the last 7 months when everything was just chaotic, everything's changed. Here's what I want you to consider. On the weekly, we closed a higher high right here. This downtrend is a series of lower highs and lower lows, right? Lower highs, lower lows. And then right here, we put in a higher low. The trend started to change. Broke out to the upside here. Another bullish sign. Retested. Another bullish sign that gave validity to the entire move. Then on the weekly, we closed above the previous high. So that's our higher high on the weekly. Now we've got bullish MACD crosses on the Bitcoin chart, Litecoin, Ethereum. So there's a lot of good upside ahead. Now, are we going to pull back? Yes, of course. 2017 bull run ready. We pulled back 30%, 40%. We have pullbacks as part of it, but the overall trend is changing. Be ready. Moon boot ready. This is a Bitcoin 4-hour chart. I just want to show you these targets. So, you still have this $12,000 target of the falling wedge on the daily chart. The cup and handle target right here at 11,300. If we use a low volume node on the histogram over here on the side, it's called a VPVR. And you can see there's just not a whole lot of overhead resistance. Now this is a bearish pattern right here. Bullish scenario is this. You've got this huge parabolic price rise. Okay, now if Bitcoin breaks this level, you want to buy the breakout. We're basically where we're at right now. It will run to 10,900. Now, if we pull back to the parabola, that's okay. Still, this has happened multiple times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the main thing is we just don't want this parabola to break. But what happens, the way these parabolas end is you get this huge pump, explosive pump at the end, and then they sell off quickly. Keep in mind that the 7-month falling wedge target of 12,000 could be in the cards if this plays out for the bulls. Shout out to Crypto. This is probably one of the best comments I've gotten in a while. He said, man, I really thought this was all bull until I joined your group. You're a boss. Listen, you guys, the group, thousands of sets of eyes working together to trade this market. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts. I've got 41 videos in a playlist where if you don't know anything about trading this market at all, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. It's that easy. Number one reason why people join my cryptocurrency trading group is because I post these guys, profitable trading setups, and I post them daily. We've been killing it. The market's been explosive and amazing. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. If you pay for 6 months with crypto, you get a 20% discount. If you pay for the year in crypto, now you get 30% off and an additional month for free. If you do want to pay with a card month to month, you can do so. There's a Patreon link in the description. Ethereum on a tear, up 96% since I posted this midterm hold setup in the group. Huge gains. When is this thing going to pull back? But you see this huge price spike right here, this huge parabolic, and see the same parabola. You see this? That's what Bitcoin's doing. And you get this huge spike on a lot of these parabolas. And it's happening across a lot of these altcoins right now. So 217% gains out of H-bar. I posted this. I even said, hey, it's moving. Boom. This gentleman said, hey, Chris, I'm having a great 2020 with your group. My Binance total is up over $16,000 in a 5-week stretch. Thanks for your hard work. So he went from close to $39,000 to $55,000. My portfolio is up 70% since early December. That is around $60,000. We just broke $300 billion market cap. That's huge. I remember not too long ago, it was like 200 billion. Look at all this green in the market. It's crazy. The last bull run, Tether, had a $400 million market cap. It's going to start this bull run with $4.7 billion market cap. Huge amounts of liquidity. What does this mean? It means there's a $4.7 billion sitting on the sidelines at any given point in time, ready to jump right into the market. Are you serious? Are you guys ready? Do you guys have your moon boots on? Let me explain this to you. This is the crypto money flow cycle. Here's how it flows into the market, right? It flows into, everybody starts with fiat. A lot of it goes into Bitcoin or Tether, right? Comes into the market. Then you get retail coming in, and also a lot of your money's flowing down to your large cap altcoins. Well, these will take off, and they have, right? But then when Bitcoin consolidates, a lot of these mid cap and smaller cap altcoins that don't have USDT trading pairs will start to take off. And I just want to show you this real quick. You go back over here, the numbers of subscribers in the on the YouTube channel. We're doing 100 subscribers every single day now. Okay, I've had 150 people join the group this month already. Like, retail is jumping into this market. I've talked to you guys about this, and it just keeps on going and going and growing and growing. I can't even tell you how excited I am about this market right now. Finally, the future for us is golden. You can make life-changing money in a short period of time. And these altcoins, you guys can see this now. Like, these gains are ridiculous. This is something I want to play for you guys. Anybody that feels like they've missed out, maybe they haven't jumped into the market fully yet. They feel like, if you feel like you've missed out on some moves, and which is common, you're going to miss moves. But I want to play this for you. I recorded this earlier. It's like an altcoin season, mini altcoin run right here, right? We had one of these like this back in April 2018. Now Bitcoin takes off and everything changes. Okay, so until that happens, you've got to be in the coins that are going to make you the most money. If you're sitting in coins that aren't moving right now, potentially you need to pivot to other coins and then go back to those coins. Here's the biggest thing I want to stress. Bitcoin right now, let's say Bitcoin breaks out 10,400 and goes to 11,000 or 11,400. Imagine YouTube, everybody's going live, everybody's going crazy. Man, this is it. The market's booming. Well, you know what? That's 10%. Bitcoin made 10%. I mean, H-bar, we killed it for over 100%. Like Ethereum's up 94%. Like the thing is, these altcoins will run a lot harder than Bitcoin. Now they drop a lot harder too, but you have to understand there's a time to trade altcoins and there's a time to trade Bitcoin, right? When Bitcoin takes off, and it will, Bitcoin takes off, it's going to go parabolic at some point, and everybody's going to sell their altcoins or get stopped out of their altcoins, and they're going to end up in Bitcoin. And these alts will perform completely different. So you have to make it count. $10,000 Bitcoin retails here. Here they come. Coinbase launches 3x margin trading for pro crypto traders. Interesting to see this. Like, people want to trade on margin. They want a little bit extra. You're going to trade Bitcoin. You don't get as big swings out of Bitcoin as you do the altcoins, and it's nice for a lot of people. Now there's a lot of more risk involved. 3x is probably realistic. 2x, 3x, 5x, I wouldn't recommend any higher than that. If you're learning, learn to trade spot, regular trading first. Anything I'm doing in crypto, I want to make sure that I'm secure. I use PureVPN. If you guys want to use Binance.com, if you want to trade on all those little altcoins that we know and love that everybody's making all these huge profits in, if you want to trade on Bybit or BitMEX, use PureVPN. There's a link in the description that does support the channel. Perth Glory to be sold to a UK-based cryptocurrency group, the London Football Exchange. So there's a very emotional Perth Glory owner. His name is Tony Sage. He's close to finalizing a deal to sell the majority of his stake in the A-League club to a London-based crypto group, but has assured fans the club's name, colors, and heritage will be retained. So a lot of the other buyers were trying to change the colors, change the team name, trying to do all this stuff. But he's hoping to reach a deal within 48 hours. The London Football Exchange, they raised $70 million. They want to buy 6 or 7 clubs over the next 2 years. And they buy these clubs, and then they want to sell coins to investors and traders. So according to the website, the London Football Exchange, the world's first football club stock exchange, is going to allow fans, traders, and investors to acquire shares. Glory supporters are offered the opportunity to buy into the club in the form of cryptocurrency, but it should be done with caution. It gives people the opportunity to own part of a sports team that they are passionate about. So they want to purchase one club in every major league in the world. And they're looking to integrate cryptocurrency payment systems into the teams that they acquire. So kind of a unique idea, potentially something to look out for. The founder of Circle, he stated digital currencies are at a key growth moment as governments take notice, and they are. Yeah, cryptocurrencies have been added to tax forms in the United States, and it really kind of gives a lot of validity to our space. And so governments are taking notice because they don't have a choice. All of a sudden, traditional fiat currencies are competing. So with that, the Trump administration came out and they want to release new FinCEN requirements for cryptos. So they're looking to make sure that the technology moves forward. But on the other hand, they don't want cryptocurrencies to be like old Swiss secret bank accounts. They think that the technology can be used to reduce payment processing quite considerably, particularly for small dollar payments cross-border. Listen, I had a PayPal payment recently. Some money sent to me. I think I paid $80 on $1,700, and I'm just like, it just dawned on me, like, PayPal is going out of business. Like, PayPal's that business model is over, destroyed, disrupted. Crypto wins, period. Now, cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, they went on to state, have been exploited to support billions of dollars of illicit activity. Let's be fair, so is cash, right? Talked about cybercrime, tax evasion, extortion, ransomware, illicit drugs, human trafficking. Fiat is the leader in all that, right? Cryptocurrencies get dragged through the mud because of this. But just know governments are taking notice. Things are changing in the United States quickly. Now, Coinbase Premium is showing fiat inflows into Ethereum may spark massive rally. Yes. Also, Ethereum outshines Bitcoin again as the active addresses rise by 22%. XRP price is lagging. It should be 30% higher, says a veteran analyst. And I said, It's lagging right now, but it hasn't popped yet, but it's coming. Here's a midterm hold setup. Buy the breakout above this level, may stall at this resistance. Taking profits at 37.5 cents, 47 cents here. It's just starting. You got to be in the right coins. If you're in Ethereum that's up 96%, then potentially find some of these coins that haven't exploded yet. Really, it's going to come down to a situation where we're just looking for the coins that haven't popped yet, because they all will have a chance. I think last altcoin season, there were 2 coins or 3 coins that didn't pop at all. You know, so it becomes like, hey, let me find the coins that haven't popped yet. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure and subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, hit the bell for notification. Thanks so much. I will see you guys tomorrow.